So my college was not opening in the fall, and I decided to decorate my room to be more like a dorm room. So I put up some lights, and I didn't get to film that. And then on this wall, I basically freehanded some letters so I could spell out my name, and I cut out some clouds and some stars in neon paper so they would glow under the blue light. And yeah, then I moved on to the next wall. You could put up anything, but I freehanded some letters to say welcome to the studio. And then I took this napkin, I colored it pink, and I traced it around a container lid. And then I went and I also colored it pink, and I put it up on my light so I could get a pink light. Then I took some album covers and I put them in a 4x4 around my wall. So yeah, this is my room. Come back for part 2.
So I got a new room during quarantine, and I got to decorate it however I wanted. But then my mom called me and told me I wasn't allowed to keep White Claws in the fridge anymore. So I had an idea. I was going to build a bar. And that's what I did. The next day, I started it. I started by building a base and how tall I actually wanted to be by putting the mini fridge on top. After I got the height down, it started to look pretty good. Then I started adding some more wood to it and it started coming along. After some drilling, the face of the bar started coming together and the L shape started to look pretty nice. My mom gave me this nice tiki umbrella because she found out what I was doing, and then I got some of these Rona lights. I added a nice bar top for making drinks, and then I put another lip on top for people to set their drinks and hang out. I decided to add some LED strips to the bar top, and it came out pretty good. Then every time someone came over, they would sign my bar. The bar now has a lot of memories behind it, and I think it looks pretty good for what it is. Leave a like if you enjoyed.
So ignore the fact that I'm still making over my room, but look at this rainbow that I woke up to this morning because I put that thing on my window. I'm speechless. I woke up and I was like, where am I? It's beautiful. It's so pretty. Oh my God.
As so many of you guys recommended, I'm adding fairy lights to spice up my room. I'm having a really hard time deciding where to put these fairy lights, so I've called my sister in to help.
Stop. I'm thinking, because that area looks really sparse, can you show them the area?
Yeah, but I kind of like it like that.
You use the ceiling and you put fairy lights like that.
That's gonna look like shit.
You asked me for the help.
I'm gonna tape fairy lights around my mirror, so I measured the mirror out first and I took it next to my bed.
Listen to me. Why don't I just hot glue the lights to the mirror? It's a terrible idea, but I'm doing it.
If I want to take this off, I can, because I hot glued the lights to the tape, and this is how it turned out, and I'm in love with it. And then I did a super simple design on top of my photo wall, obsessed, and tomorrow I'm gonna do some LED lights and fun stuff.
One of the most frequent questions that my friends ask me is, how do you exclusively shop secondhand but make everything go together? The single most important thing about your space is how it makes you feel. So if you take your time and only buy things that make you have that, oh my God, look what I found moment in the store, you're inevitably gonna love your space. We really need to normalize not having it all together all the time. These are all random things that I thrifted or got at auction, and a couple things that are sentimental to me. I personally like to accumulate all of my unique pieces because the plain stuff for balance is easy to go out and thrift after.
I decided to make the world's biggest pillow ever. Are you ready for that? Let's do it. Take a very large blanket. This one is so soft and I love the variety of happy colors on it. Place it on a flat surface and fold it in half. Grab a glue gun and glue together the longest tie. You can even sew the edge with some thread and a needle or use fabric glue. Stick the top layer down while the glue is still hot and wait for a minute or two to cool down and seal the two fabric layers together. Take some older pillows and carefully cut them open. Grab the fluffy stuffing and put it inside your DIY giant pillow. When you're happy with your ginormous pillow, glue the sides with some hot glue. Ta-da! This is so comfy! You can totally stop here, I mean it already looks so pretty, but I decided to use this lovely pom-pom garland to decorate the pillow edges. You can use your pillow at home or have it on the balcony or in the garden. It is also perfect if you have sleepovers with your friends or movie night. Without a doubt, this giant pillow will bring so much joy, so grab an old blanket and have a ton of fun crafting.
Sweet dreams are made of this. Who am I to disagree? Travel the world.
A lot of people are asking for a room tour, so here it is. And keep in mind, I just moved in, so I still need to figure some things out. But over here, I got this cute jewelry holder from Amazon. Same with this one. Honestly, everything's from Amazon. This light from Amazon, and it's super cute and super bright. I could link everything, by the way. Not sure where I got this candle. But the skincare fridge I got from Urban, and I love it. It's definitely worth. The mirror I found on OfferUp. Got lucky with that. And then over here, the moon phase little gold thing I got from Amazon as well. Same with the letterboard. And then the hat is from Urban. But a lot of people were asking about the collage wall. This I got from Etsy. I couldn't link that, but I really love it. And then my desk, I'm still trying to figure out what to do over here, so it's a mess. But my bed is actually up at the top.
In part 1 of my little sister's room makeover, we pulled up the carpet and revealed these old newspapers, and you can hear more about that in my other video. Then we refinished the hardwood floor, and this is how it turned out. To give the room a little bit more personality, I decided to do a mural on this wall. I let my sister decide what direction this mural should go in, and she chose a mountainscape with orange and pink tones. So this was kind of the abstract version in my style that I came up with. We were mostly using supplies that we had on hand, and we didn't have enough paint to cover all the walls, so we brightened up this wall, and then we hung some curtains above the window. I like to hang curtains higher than the window to give the illusion that the ceiling's taller and that the window's bigger. So here was the before. Oh my god. And here's the after. We didn't buy any new decor for this redesign. We just used what we already had at our disposal, including those newspapers that we found.
Here's how I got my posters for a pretty cheap price. So first, you want to go to the FedEx website and under printing services, select marketing materials. After you click on marketing materials, go to flyers, and then from here you can pick whatever pictures you want. And for the sizes I did the biggest one and the second biggest sizes, which we'll see right now, and I changed the paper so it's a little bit heavier and nicer quality, and that's it.
I'm redoing my room and my packages just came from Dormify, so I thought I'd show you what I got. First, I got a neon pink girl power sign. Next, I got this brick wallpaper that I've seen some girls have and I think it's so cute. I got a charging lamp for my desk and it has an organizer. I am so excited about this next item. It's an LED string light curtain. I got this big pink pleated velvet pillow. I'm obsessed with Friends, so I just had to get the neon Friends sign. I got some pink sheets to match my pillows. And the final item of the first box is an expandable shoe rack. On to box number 2. I got an LED moonlight to hang on my wall. This velvet round pillow, which is a lot bigger than I expected. A Sherpa throw blanket, and it looks so soft. I thought this pillow was so cute, it says stay in bed. This is a bedding set I got. I loved the saying on this wooden sign. It says good things are coming. This bedside caddy is really going to come in handy. This coffee mug was perfect for me. And lastly, I got a mirrored drawer set. Be sure to follow to see the entire room makeover.
Could this chair be even more boring? No, I don't think so. We have to do something about it. Oh yeah, I have an idea. This chair is about to get a complete makeover. Take some pink acrylic paint or any other color of your choice and color the legs of the chair. Okay, the chair legs are all colored, so let's leave them to dry. Now take a piece of fake fur material. I wish you could feel how soft this is. Cut out a circle which is slightly bigger than the chair seat. Flip it upside down and make 4 short cuts where the chair legs are. Place the chair on the furry circle like this. Grab a glue gun and apply a small blob of glue on the seat edge. Fold the fabric up to stick it on the chair. Do this all around the edge of the seat and check out this epicness. Can you believe the transformation that we just made? I'm so satisfied with the result. From the cheapest and most boring chair, we've created the prettiest and coziest chair ever. You can even use it as a nightstand or a decoration piece and place on a flower pot, picture frame or something like that.
Hi friends, I'm going to be showing you how to make Christmas DIYs on a budget. The DIY I'm going to be making is this Christmas tree. As you can see, it is $90 and there's no way I'm spending more than $15 on this, so let's make it. I went to the Dollar Tree, spent $8.78, and this foam piece was $5 at Michael's, totaling to $14. So let's get started. So to start off, I'm removing the tops of the ornaments. I'm going to use the back of a paintbrush to punch holes in it, and then referencing the picture, I'm going to put the ornaments in. So this is the first row done. Now I'm going to take this garland and wrap it around the first row. This is it with the garland. Now I'm going to build up. This is row 2, and I'm going to take more garland and just put it in between. So this is where I'm at right now. I know it looks like a little bit of a mess right now, but I'm going to try to stick to a pattern and go up from there. Now that I've reached the top, I'm going to add this star. This is also from the Dollar Tree. And here we have the finished product. Is it perfect? No. Did I save $60? Yes.